In this video, we'll configure the Trust Badges module in Store 1. Open the Store 1 dashboard and click on the Configure button of the Trust Badges module. This module allows you to display trust badges on your product pages to improve customer confidence. First, enable the module from here. From the Settings tab, you can activate or deactivate the module using the Status option. You can also add a custom title for the Trust Badge section. Using the Trigger Type option, you can decide where the badges should appear. You get several options upon selecting a trigger type. You'll also find exclusion options to hide the trust badges from specific products, categories, tags, or sale products whenever needed. Next, in the Badge Item section, you can add multiple trust badges for your store. You can upload a badge from media or pick one from the preset. Simply choose a badge from the available options. You can also enable links to make the badges clickable if required. To add more badges, simply click on Add List Item or duplicate an existing badge item and customize it according to your needs. This helps you quickly create multiple trust badges without setting everything up again from scratch. You can easily change the badge image, enable or disable links, and update the badge settings individually for each item. The badges can also be rearranged by dragging, allowing you to control the display order exactly the way you want on the product page. At the bottom, you'll find the shortcode option. You can copy and paste this shortcode anywhere on your website to display the trust badges in that specific location. On the right side, the Live Preview section helps you instantly check how the trust badges will appear on the product page. In the Display Page tab, you can choose whether to display the trust badges in a slider layout by enabling the Display Trust in Slider option. You can also control how many badges are visible at a time using the Slides to Show setting. The Autoplay option automatically slides the trust badges after a few seconds, creating a smooth and interactive display for customers. By enabling Show Navigation, customers can manually navigate through the trust badges using slider controls. Using the Placement on Product Page option, you can decide the exact position where the trust badges will appear. You can also adjust the priority value to control the display order when multiple elements are added in the same section. In the Design tab, you can customize the overall appearance of the Trust Badges section. You can adjust spacing, image size, badge gap, colors, and border styles to match your store design. You can also customize the border width, border radius, and background colors for a cleaner and more professional look. This setup works as a single rule. If you want to create another trust badge setup for a different trigger type, simply click on Add New Rule. You can also duplicate the existing rule and make the required changes instead of creating everything from scratch. After setting up the module, click on Save. Here is the final preview of the Trust Badges module on the product page. The trust badges are displayed in a clean slider layout, making the section look professional and visually organized. Customers can smoothly navigate through the badges using the slider navigation controls, while the autoplay feature automatically rotates the badges for a better user experience. Thank you for watching this documentation walkthrough.